Hello and welcome back everyone to our another episode of object oriented ABAP, right? So in the previous session we saw our global friends class. Now we will continue our list and we will discuss here instance method versus static method in ABAP, right? This is what we are going to discuss here, instance versus static. So first of all, what is instance method? Instance method. Then we will discuss the static method. Static method. Okay. Instance versus static. So instance is dedicated to the objects only, we know now, and static is the class property, right? Static is the class property. Yes. Instance methods can only be accessed by the object name, but static methods can be accessed by the class name as well as by the object name. Both class name and object name, both they are accessed by both. Yes, right, they can be accessed by both. Then so let's see the implementation. What I will do is I will go for SAP log. Yes, I will go for SAP login here. SAP logon, and let's create our let's log in into the system, create one class here, instance versus static. Okay, instance versus static, type as executable, and then we saw this. Okay, right? So I will create here two methods, class, let's say local class definition and class. I will have here public section methods. I will name it instance method, and this is class methods. This is your static method. Static method. So what we can write one more here, instant method are declared by using the methods keyword, and static methods are declared by using the class methods keywords. Yes, right. Then we will do the implementation class, local class, implementation, and class, our method, instance method, and method, static method, and method, right. Then for instance, I will do the implementation. I am the instance method, and this will become I am the static method. Yes. Okay. Then the startup selection. Let's try to use our static method. So what is our class name? Local class, and our static method. Yes. But using the class name, I cannot access the instance method. You can see it. If I will try to access it, it is going to give me error. Syntax check. Yes, we cannot do it. Execute. See, I am the static method. Then I will create the object. So data keyword, local object, new keyword, local class. Yes. And I will call all these methods. So instance, static. Yes. Let's see. Yes, we can access it, right? So I am the instance method and I am the static method, right? This is the beauty of instance and static. Instance is object property and static is the class property. Okay, so this is all about this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please do not forget to like and share the video. See you all in the next part.